Parrots, known for their vibrant plumage and exceptional intelligence, are fascinating birds found in tropical and subtropical regions across the world. They display a diverse array of colors, including bright greens, blues, reds, and yellows, which often serve as a means of attracting mates and species identification. What sets parrots apart is their ability to mimic sounds and human speech, showcasing remarkable vocal capabilities. Their strong hooked bills are adapted for cracking nuts, seeds, and fruits, forming a significant part of their diet. These highly social birds thrive in flocks, demonstrating complex social interactions and bonds. Unfortunately, habitat loss, illegal trade, and environmental pressures are threatening parrot populations globally, underscoring the importance of conservation efforts to protect these charismatic and intelligent birds.